This lesson is going to be 2.6 and 2.7. I can find sales tax, tip, markup, and discount. Not a space. Okay, so let's start with some definitions. Sales tax is an additional amount of money charged charged for items you buy. And that money goes to the government. So let's do an example. So let's say, one second. Let's say you want to buy exercise equipment that costs $140 and the sales tax is 5.75%. So the exercise equipment costs $140 and the sales tax is 5.75%. We want to find the total cost of the item. Okay, so first I have to find 5.75% of 140. So I know how to do that. I'll turn this into a decimal by moving the decimal place to the left twice. So I have 0.0575 times 140. I'll type that into my calculator. So 0.0575 times 140. So I get $8.05. So the sales tax is $8.05, but that's not what the question asks me. The question asks what's the total cost. To find the total cost, I have to pay the $140 for the machine plus $8.05 in sales tax. So my total cost is going to be $148.05. That's the total cost that I have to pay. Next, let's talk about tip or gratuity. Tip and gratuity are the same exact thing. So for this example, let's write down the definition first. Tip or gratuity is a small amount of money paid in return for a service. Okay, so for an example, you can't even read that. There you go. For example, a customer wants to tip 15% on a restaurant bill that was $35. So we want to know what is the total amount with tip that we have to pay. What's the total amount with the tip? So first we have to find 15% of 35. So I'm going to turn 15 into a decimal. So it's going to be 0.15 times $35. So 0.15 times 35 on my calculator gives me $5.25. That's not my total though, that's the amount of tip that I have to pay. So my total is going to be I have to pay $35 for the bill plus $5.25 in tip. So my total I have to pay is $40.25. Okay, the next thing we need to talk about is markup. So markup is when a store sells items for more than they pay. The amount of increase is called the markup. So a store sells items for more than it pays. the amount of increase is the markup. So let's say you want to buy a GPS navigation system. So the store buys the GPS, so like Target buys the GPS from the GPS company for $46. They're going to mark it up 25% because if they don't sell it for more than they paid for it, they won't make any money. So how much will a customer pay for the GPS? So first we have to find 25% of 46. So we'll do 0.25 times 46. So 25% of 46 is $11.50. So the amount of markup is $11.50. They're going to sell it for that much more than they paid for it. That way they'll make a profit. So this is the markup. I want to know how much the customer is going to pay though. So I'm going to have to do $46 plus $11.50. So the customer is going to have to pay $47.50. We just have one more thing to talk about. The last thing we have to talk about here is discount. So I'm going to go on to the next page and I'm going to put discount over here. Discount is the amount by which a regular price item is reduced. And you can't read any of that. There we go. Regular price item is reduced. Okay, you know what discount is. That's when an item is on sale. So let's say a DVD normally costs $22. This week it's on sale for 25% off the original price. What is the sale price of the DVD? So I need to find 25% of 22 first. So I'm going to do 25% of 22. I think it's $6.50. Oh, sorry, I was wrong. $5.50. This time, we're not going to add that to the price of the DVD. It's on sale for 25% off. So we're going to subtract that from the price of the DVD. So I'm going to do $22 minus $5.50. So a customer is going to end up paying $16.50. So this is the amount of discount. This is the sale price that the customer would end up paying.